Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Chipotle chicken. So I'm going to start off by showing you the ingredients. First, you're going to need a can of Chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. We're only going to be using the sauce out of this can. And then you're going to need 1 tablespoon of chili powder. And then you're going to need 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. And then you're also going to need 2 tablespoons of olive oil and about half of a medium onion that's diced. And then you're also going to need 3 garlic cloves that are minced. And then we're also going to be using 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so first we're going to be making the chicken marinade. So you're going to add all the spices to a blender. And you're also going to be adding the olive oil, the chopped onions, and the minced garlic cloves. And then we're also going to be adding the sauce from the Chipotle peppers. You're only going to be adding the adobo sauce that the peppers are in. You're not going to actually add the pieces of pepper. And then you're just going to blend on high for 1 to 2 minutes. And then you're just going to go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of water, and you're going to blend it again for another minute. After blending everything together, this is the consistency you want the marinade to be. And now we're going to go ahead and place the boneless, skinless chicken thighs into a Ziploc bag, and we're going to pour the marinade into the bag. After pouring the marinade into the bag, you're just going to make sure that all the chicken is completely coated, and then we're going to refrigerate and let it marinate for at least 8 hours. If you can let it marinate overnight, that's even better, but you have to let it marinate for at least 8 hours. After 8 hours, now I'm going to go ahead and grill the chicken. So you can also pan sear it, but I've found that it comes out more tender when it's grilled. I'm going to be grilling them at a 450-degree temperature for about 8 minutes on each side. So you want the internal temperature of the chicken to be at 165. This is what the chicken will look like after grilling for 8 minutes on each side. And now I'm going to go ahead and let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes. After letting them rest for 15 minutes, now I'm going to go ahead and cut them into smaller cubes. This is what the chicken will look like once it's all cut up, and I'm going to be serving this with a cilantro lime rice, and I have a video on how to make that. I'll be leaving the link down below for that. And I'm also going to be serving this with a corn salsa and some black beans. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.